Question: what to keep in mind when buying a baby gate? Answer: while buying a baby gate, you'll have many choices for your baby and your house. Following are the things you need to keep in mind when buying a baby gate. Number 1. The installation of baby gates is to keep in mind, because easy to install gates are more convenient and do not require professionals or any specific hardware. A portable gate is a plus point as it can be carried anywhere, and the fixed gates leaves the marks. Number 2. The dimensions of the place where you want to install a baby gate need to be considered because not all gates are familiar with different widths. Number 3. The baby gate's material is another essential thing as the gate's lifespan depends on the material. Number 4. The baby gates come with two options. Walk over them and open-close door. You can choose the gate of your wish. The door with an open-close feature must be able to open with one hand.